Hey everyone, welcome to Unleashed channel where creativity meets technology and we turn your idea from text to video. Let me ask you something real quick. What if I told you that you could make a full video with the voiceover, animations, and the music without picking up the camera? What if your next big idea don't need an editor, a crew, or even any designer skills? Have you ever wished you could bring your ideas, stories, lessons, or message to the life with just a few words? Just a little while ago, creators like us were stuck. You have the vision, but no tools, no time, no budget. But today, with AI video generation, all that changes. Now you can literally type your idea, click a button, and the bottom a video is born. Characters speak, scenes and thought voices deliver your message, all straight from text. And on Unleashed channel, I'm gonna show you how to do it. How to turn text into full video, how to choose the right tools, how to write a killer script and generate a voiceover, and how to make a video that don't just look good, they connect. Whether you are content creators, teachers, entrepreneur, or even just someone with a story to tell, this is the future, and it's all at your fingerprint. So, are you ready to unleash your creativity? Then hit subscribe button, tap the notification bell, and jump into the world where your world become motion. This is Unleashed channel. Let's your text turn into the magic. Now I'm going to show you how to do that. We are going to use a CapCut tool. You know a CapCut? So we are going to use a CapCut tool. Let me show you. Now you open Google Chrome. So now you're going on CapCut. You see CapCut.com. It is online CapCut. So now after that, you see we have different options. We have video and image. But in this video, we are going to focus on how to create or how to generate a video from text or from a script. So you see, new video, free AI video maker, AI caption, long video to short. So this is for creating a new video. This is for free AI video maker. And this is for AI caption. And this is a feature that can help you to turn long video into short video. Have to click there. This is a long video, short video, and the one click video creation, script to video, and the script to video. We are going to use this feature from a script or from text to video. So let us start. You have to click there. You see, can choose this, and you have to write what you want here. For example, you can write a story of different countries. For example, let us choose Norway. Let's start with a title of the land of the midnight sun, for example. So, high in the north, where the world lands into the early elliptic circle lies in Norway. Let's write it well. This is an example of a script. You have to write a good script in Norway, for example. So, but we can need more things like, can we generate this, or let us add some words? So let's use a land of deep fjords, snow capped peaks, and forest that's whisper the story of Earth. This is an example. In a teen coastal village nestled between two steep cliffs and shimmering fjord. Rift, a young girl named Ingrid. So her family were traditional fishers, like most in the village. But Ingrid had a dream that went beyond the salty air, and nets full of caught. So guys, let's generate this, but you can write script as you want, but let's generate a video from this script. Let's generate. So you see, the script is being generated. AI writer will generate script for you. Let us wait. So let's confirm, but you need to change here from this format to this. Let's use this voice. You can check the voice that you want, but let's continue with this. Let's generate. This is a smart generation. It's where CapCut will generate a video with the materials suitable for the script, and here you can customize the generated video. but let's use this smart generation where AI is going to generate the full video without editing anything. You see, now it is generating. You see, guys, the video is still loading, but it is generating. Let us wait.
Hey there,
You see?
fellow travel enthusiasts. Today,
You see? Videos generated. Today we are going to take a journey to the true enchanting place, the land of midnight sun. As you see, the script. So let me allow you to listen that. You see the video that was generated is it's for 58 seconds.
Today, we're going to take a journey to a truly enchanting place,
This is our
the land of
script.
the midnight sun. High in the north, where the world
You see?
leans into the Arctic
You
Circle,
bring the map
lies Norway, a land of deep
Norway.
fjords, snow-capped peaks,
You see what it brings? This video is generated by AI. So you see?
and forests that whisper the story of old. In this picturesque setting, nestled
So now you understand it generates both video and audio. You can choose whatever you want, but this is how you can write the script and turn it into video.
between two steep cliffs and a shimmering fjord, lived a young girl named Ingrid. Her family were traditional
You see?
fishers, like most in the village. But Ingrid had a dream that went beyond the salty air and nets full of cod. Ingrid
You see, this video is very good. You can we can make it big. You see?
Ingrid's story is a
It's
testament
HD.
to the power of dreams and the beauty of following one's heart. So, let's pack our bags and embark on this magical adventure, exploring the wonders of Norway and the inspiring story of Ingrid. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you enjoyed this story,
You see?
don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more captivating tales from around
Now you see what I'm doing. So after creating that, you can export a video.
the
I'll show
world.
you.
Until next time, happy travels. Hey there.
So now you see the video is about 58 seconds, but it depends on how long a script that you write. It depends on how long script that you write. If your script is long, it's going to generate a long video like 4 up to 5 minutes. So guys, this is how you can generate a video from the story, from text to video. You write a text or a script, then you generate a video. So after that you can edit, but you can export video. You can choose, you can, this is a good resolution for reviewing the quality video. So you can export it. As you see, you can export the video. You see I'm exporting it, but I can play it as long as I'm exporting
Hey
it.
there, fellow travel enthusiasts. Today, we're going to take a journey to a truly enchanting
see?
place, the land of the midnight sun.
This is how you can generate a video, a good video. So now exporting is going to be finished. As you see, it's a good video, high quality video. So you can share where you want. You can share it to TikTok. You can share it to Ads Manager. Share it on YouTube. Share it to YouTube Shorts. Share to Facebook page. Share to Instagram Reels. But you can also download it. Let me download it. So you see, I'm downloading it. Let us wait, we replay it on our Mac. So let me pause this, continue to download this. This is, you see the video has 80 MB, megabyte. So after downloading it, I'm going to play it. You will see that. But this is how you create a video, how you generate a video with the AI tools. So I will show you many things, guys. If you are more interested, do subscribe. Do subscribe because this will help you to know more things about how you can create videos, how to generate videos from text, how you can write the content and generate video, how can you write a story and generate it into a video, how you can turn the story, traditional stories from our countries to video. So it is very easy for these tools. So this tool can help you. So many content creators use these tools and they earn money from different platforms. So you can use it as you wish if you are ready. So let us wait until the video is finished. We finish to download it. So you see video is with a high quality image. You see the 1080 pixel. You see we have a different pixels. You choose what you want, but I prefer this because it is a good high quality image. That's why I chose 1080 pixels. So guys, our video is finished. It's going to be finished to be downloaded. So we can open it in a folder. So you see it there. So let me open it.
Hey there, fellow travel enthusiasts. Today, we're going to take a journey to a truly enchanting place.
You see?
The land of the midnight sun, high in the north, where the world leans into the Arctic Circle.
If you wanted to upload, you can upload it somewhere that you wish to upload. So it can help you to earn money from different platforms. Guys, if you're more interested, do subscribe. I wish to continue to be with me with my YouTube channel. I will show you many things and how to use these platforms. Guys, thank you.